What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a very long awaited trading video showing you exactly how you can make $100 per day or potentially more depending on which capital you're starting with. Now, I'm going to be doing this tutorial based on Phemex. Phemex is one of the best exchanges out there in my opinion for trading. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about them later on in today's video. I'm going to be using Phemex to trade, and of course I'm going to be using TradingView to explain exactly how you can go ahead and execute these trades. So as you know, the Bitcoin price currently right now is at almost $70,000. Yes, it's been a little bit of a struggle getting up here, but once we do start to see a push above 70,000 and getting a weekly close above 70,000, we are going to look ever so more bullish. Now, I don't know when you're watching this, if you're watching it in November 2024 or if you're watching it in the future in 2025, 26, 27, whenever it may be, even 2030. These tactics, these different trading strategies are still going to work. So it doesn't matter when you're watching it, it's still relevant information. And of course, Phemex will still be around. They're one of the most trusted exchanges. They'll still be around. You can still trade on them. So everything is good. If you did want to go ahead and join Phemex, there is a link down below. But let's get on with the video. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and start by bringing out a blank chart. Now, this strategy is pretty easy. I will have linked in the description not only Phemex but also the strategy guide, so you can go ahead and see the steps on the parameters on when to enter, when to exit and stuff like that, just to make it a little bit more easier. So the trading strategy I'm going to use is a super simple one, and I usually like to keep it simple when I am trading because many of you watching are beginners. I've been trading for quite a few years now. However, some of the most easiest basic principles can still apply and you can still use them to make profit trading. So the first part of the strategy is, well, basically the strategy is an EMA ribbon and an RSI strategy. So using both the EMA ribbon and the RSI, two very nice indicators which you can use on your own, granted, but combining them together makes it a little bit easier to know when to enter, when to exit, and overall how to trade. So first of all, you want to start by going to the indicators and just typing EMA ribbon. And you want to use this one by Crypt right there. Once we click that, it brings it up onto the screen like so. And you then want to go and get the RSI. Many of you know what the RSI is, Relative Strength Index. And so we have this look on TradingView. You then want to go to the RSI, and I personally hate the way it looks out of the box. So I hide the RSI MA. You don't really need it. I make this a little bit brighter and a little bit thicker right there. In fact, let's make it a bit lighter. Let's even just use a yellow. It's much easier, so you can see it a lot easier right there. So the basic premise of this trading strategy is we need to first of all look for when the EMA ribbons are bunching together. So what do I mean by bunching together or squeezing together? This is basically when the ribbons, as you know, as you can see up here, if I just highlight this area, they are not together. They are pretty far apart. This means of course the price is already trending. However, when they are bunching together, like exactly around here, exactly around here, exactly around here, it means there's most likely going to be a change in direction or some form of volatility, and that's exactly when we want to strike as a trader. So for example, we can see this area right here. In fact, let's go ahead and map this out right there. So let's do this right there and pretend we're looking at it as fresh. So we don't know what's coming next. So we see these indicators bunching together. The ribbons bunching together. And that's the first step on our entry list. Now I'll have it flashing up on screen so you know exactly the parameters, and also in the description and pinned comment most likely I have the trading rules as well. So the first one is the EMA ribbons bunching together. The second one is the RSI has to be above 50. So we can see this middle dashed line right there, that's 50, that's the median level for the RSI, and if we want to long, this has to be above 50. So in this case, it's probably about 60, 63. So that is both checked. So on this, we will enter a long position. So once we enter that long position, we then want to know when to exit. Now, in my opinion, the best way to exit is either A, the RSI goes oversold, or B, we go ahead and touch one of the ribbons again. So You can do either or you can do whichever comes first if you want it to be safest. In this case, let's click play and see exactly what happens. So we can see the price moves to the upside. It's continuing to move to the upside, and just now we can see we are oversold. Right there, we didn't cross the 70 mark, so we're not technically oversold. However, right here on this candlestick, we did. So if we can see from the entry, which would be anywhere on this candlestick, let's show the middle of it, all the way up to right there, you can see it's around 8.5% profit. Now, of course, if you're trading 8.5% on something like Phemex, for example, you get different amounts of leverage you can use. For example, a pretty common one is a 10x or a 5x, something like that. So we can see right here, if we were using 10x, that 8.52% profitable trade becomes 85%. So of course, if you have a good trading strategy and you have an exchange where you can use futures or leverage, you can go ahead and make a lot of money this bull market, because overall the prices are trending towards the upside. So that was a good example right there. Let's exit this example and let's go to something like Solana. Now, I've highlighted a few key areas right here so we can go ahead and take a look at exactly what happens once again. So let's take a zoom into this area right here. So we can see on this example, we have the EMA ribbons are bunching together, which is very, very nice. We have the RSI, which is above 50 also, which is very nice. This is the median line, the 50 line. It's above it. That's good. We've met both the parameters. Let's go ahead and enter a long position. So once we enter a long position, we're looking for an exit point of either A, overbought right there at the top, or B, it's retouching the ribbon. So we click play. Let's see what happens. It pushes to the upside, and bam, we are overbought right there. So we can see from the entry point, which would be around about here, pushing towards the upside when we do enter overbought area. Again, a nice 5% profit. Now, these trades are over the space of between a day to 2 days, so technically it could be a swing trade. A swing trade is anything after 24 hours, in my opinion, so it could technically be a swing trade. However, in this example, it was a day trade, being only 12 hours. Let's go ahead and take a look at another example, which we can see, and it's super easy to spot these in the moment, because you may say, okay, hindsight's great, Jack. You've gone ahead and showed us when the ribbons are bunching together. It's very easy to do that in hindsight. However, I mean, we can look at this right here and we can see they're all bunching together. So we could go ahead and enter somewhere on this candlestick. The RSI is above 50. We go ahead and enter, we click play and see what happens. And the price pushes to the overbought area right there. So we can see from this candlestick, even if we entered it high, we can see that we would still leave with around an 8% profit, which is also very, very nice. Let's go ahead and check another example. Again, you can also do this with short positions as well. It doesn't just have to be long positions. If it's a short position, the parameters are exactly opposite. So again, we need the EMA ribbons to be bunching. We need the RSI to be below 50, and then we can go ahead and enter a short position. It's exactly the same. And then if you want to exit your short position, just look for where it's oversold. So it's coming down here below 30 or touching the EMA ribbons. So again, let's take a look at this example. We can see right here the EMA ribbons are bunching together, which is very nice. The RSI is just a little bit over 50. Again, tick, tick, it's ticking our parameters. So let's go ahead and enter a long trade. We can see right here, bam, we go oversold right there. So you would look to go ahead and exit right there. So again, from this entry point, which would be anywhere around here really, to the exit point, again, 11% profit in just, or nearly 12% profit in just the space of a day. Now, you can do all this trading over on Phemex, guys. As you know, Phemex is one of my favorite exchanges when it comes to trading. I've been using it for many, many years now, and back in the previous bull cycle, I made a very nice trade of over $200,000 in profit, longing Bitcoin, which was extremely nice. I'm most likely going to be trading again altcoins or meme coins in the coming weeks. So of course, stay tuned to the channel for all those Phemex trades. But overall, I think it's one of the best exchanges to trade on, in my opinion. They're always having very, very competitive bonuses. You can find all the bonuses linked down below in today's video, and I really recommend going ahead and clicking that link, creating yourself an account, name and email, then deposit. It's super, super simple, and you can hopefully start making a profit using these strategies in this bull market. Of course, over on the channel, We can see if you go to the home section, you click on my beautiful face right here from this video after it's finished, of course, not yet. And then you can click on my beautiful face, which some people may not say is too beautiful, but I think it's very beautiful. And we can see right here, the Phemex section right there. We can see all the different videos right there going back 4 or probably even more years that I've been trading on Phemex. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I really do appreciate you watching. Drop a thumbs up if you did enjoy this content. And of course, don't forget to comment down below if you want to enter to win $200 every single Monday. I am doing that giveaway during the bull market. During the bear market, I probably won't be doing it, I'll be honest. And also, let's get this video above 500 likes. That will be absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.